on to cook for a bit longer once it's blended it. Once it's blended. You showed us this the other day, didn't you? That you tasted it and decided, oh, it's not quite, the lentils weren't quite soft enough. So once it's blended, you can put it back on again. What do you think? Yeah. But just because we don't have a lot of time, we are going to serve it up just to show you what we would do. So Harlow, do you want to show us your... I'll take over with the bread. So Harlow is going to show us the way that she eats this soup.
My way. Yeah. So, can I go downstairs? Oh, no.
You certainly can. Are you going to give it me back?
Okay, this is my way. I love it this way, but my family just have it the usual way. Add feel free to please as you like. Yes. So I usually use olive oil, but BeckyM.
Yes, when Harlow came to do cooking with us, we went, no, we don't use olive oil because, of course, we don't grow olives in this country. So we use extra virgin rapeseed oil.
Some at the top.
She says, looking and thinking, is that rapeseed oil?
It's really, really versatile, and it's
Yeah.
got a higher flash point than olive
Yes.
oil.
So yeah, so you can't really fry with olive oil because, anyway, well, there you go. And then I was just going to show you an alternative way, is just to serve it with a little bit of dill on top. I can't see what can you see?